and more interesting questions on speed, distance and time. The distance between two cities is 160 km. A car rider starts from city A towards city B at 7 am at a speed of 30 km per hour, and another car rider starts from B towards A in the opposite direction at a speed of 35 km per hour at 8 am. Find when will they cross each other. So first, we have a diagram that illustrates this simple fact. Now with this diagram, try if you are able to find the answer. Okay, now we will also find and check if your answer is correct or mine is wrong. So first, here we will write for car rider A. Speed, it is given. How much is the speed? 30 km per hour. And time taken? Let's assume it to be x hours. Therefore, distance equals speed into time equals to 30 kilometers per hour into x hours, which is equal to 30x kilometers. Now we will do the same for car rider B. So for car rider B, speed is 35 km per hour, time taken is x minus 1 hours. Why? We will do that. For car rider B, speed equals 35 km per hour. Yes, so speed is 35 km per hour, but as he starts at 1 hour later, that is at 8 am. But car rider A had already started at 7 pm, so he has to cover the distance in the remaining hours. So in 1 less hour. So time taken is x minus 1 hours. Now for him the speed, the distance equals to speed into time, which is equal to 35 into x minus 1 hours, and by hours and here kilometers. It is 35 kilometers, but I forgot to write it there, so I have written it here. That is 35 into x minus 1 kilometers. Now we have written it in this data also, in this figure also. So the distance covered by A, that is A to C, that is AC, is equal to 30x kilometers, and for the distance covered by B, that is BC, is equal to 35 into x minus 1 kilometers. But it is given that the total distance between the two cities is 160 kilometers. Therefore, we sum up that 30x kilometers plus 35 into x minus 1 kilometers is equal to 160 kilometers. From this data, we get to know this. Now, 160 kilometers is equal to 30x kilometers plus 35x minus 35 kilometers. Now kilometers we will cut on both sides to avoid confusion, and we get 160 equals 30x plus 35x minus 35. Now this minus 35, we will shift it to the LHS to get 160 plus 35 equals 65x. Now we get 195 equals 65x. Therefore, x equals to 195 by 65, which is equal to 3, and hours, that is our unit. So x is equal to 3 hours. We get it from the information. Now what we have to find? 3 hours is not the sufficient answer, because the question states when will they cross each other. So 3 hours is not sufficient, because we don't get to know from this information that 3 hours after 8 am or 3 hours after 7 am. One might have calculated as here x plus 1, and with 8 am he or she might have been calculating, so the answers won't match. Therefore, as x is at 7 am, we have to add 3 hours to 7 am, and we get 7 am plus 3 hours, so that is 10 am. Therefore, the cars will meet at 10 am. Therefore, the cars will meet at 10 am. Thank you. If you like, please subscribe. We will be meeting in many more videos. Bye.